I want you to have my babies. Is that too much for me to say? I wanna be with you when we're 80 and chase the old fears and young tears away. And I wanna say I love you, have it mean more than just the words that lovers say. And I wanna make love to you, we'll greet the mornings as we kiss the nights away. But most of all, I wanna know what you're thinking about. Most of all, I wanna know your heart. After all, we've said it when we're tired of our doubts. After all, I'll love you as you are. After all, I'll love you as you are. Well, I know that it ain't easy when life throws lots of trouble in our way. And sometimes it's hard to love me. I can be cruel and mean, just pushing you away. But you know that I'll stick by you if you go crazy or if you just lose your way. Yeah, 'cause there is no denying you've got a love that's worth anything you've gotta pay. But most of all, I wanna know what you're thinking about. Most of all, I wanna know your heart. After all, we've said it when we're tired of our doubts. After all, I love you as you are. After all, I love you as you are. Love you as you are. Yeah. I love you as you are.
A few moments later.
Take my hand, follow, don't be shy. Let the light take you, close your eyes now. And I will lead you. I can't let it